Hey everyone, I'm back to share some projects with you all. Okay, I've had some colored images on my desk for a little bit, but this is using the recent mushroom soup stamp from AdornIt and Dianna Marcum. So the recipe stamp is part of the club, monthly club, but they will offer this a la carte. I'm thinking it's coming soon, so if it's not already dropped, just be patient and it will come out. But I'll leave a link for where you can purchase if you're interested, or joining the stamp club as well. So this is the mushroom soup stamp, and then the add-on stamp, which I've shown before, is this one right here. And I think, which one did I use? This one right here is the one that I used for my other project. I've got two projects. This one's missing off the sheet right now because it's on a stamp block. And I did use some of the paper for my project. This is the one. It's actually got the stripes on the back. And I used this bookmark die. This is, I think this die is from Paper Tray Ink. This is an older die. I don't know if it's still available. So I will say that it is from Paper Tray. And I believe it is a bookmark. It's not a tag, but that's what I used it as. So there's that die. Okay, so here's my first project. It is a tag. Oh, I didn't show you the colors I used. Okay, so these are my sketch marker brush alcohol markers. And these are the colors that I used to color the image. Okay. And then I die cut the paper twice so that I could have the same pattern used on both the front and the back. This paper here is just some Hammermill 100 pound that I like to use for my alcohol coloring. Oh yeah, this sentiment actually comes from the same sticker sheet that this mushroom cluster is from. So I just stamped them side by side. It's basically what I did, and then colored my image. So my mushrooms are kind of psychedelic looking. I kind of was going for that. And then I just added some seam binding to make it a tag. But you can use it as a bookmark, I guess. Really cute. And then on the back, I stamped the to and from with this wood stamp here from IO. Okay, so that's my first project. And then my second one is a new page for my junk journal. Right here, this is the large mushroom soup recipe card, and it's on the back of the page. Again, these two are papers from the paper pack. If you do get the add-on, that's what would have come in there. And I believe this is the last release that would have an add-on paper kit with it. So they will offer that a la carte too if you're interested. Oh, I did use this punch here for the tab that's on the side. And this die right here is a waffle flower crafts die. That's this one right here. And it is called, what's it called? It's on this little tag on the other side. Lacy Layers 2. So this little, this white paper I die cut after I'd colored the image, and I also die cut this other piece using a large rectangle die from Spellbinders, so just to give it a little bit of interest. The paper that makes up the page, I actually measured and cut it down to size for what I wanted to use it for. You can see that it's not as big as the page inside the book here. That was on purpose, and I just punched some holes here to fit the ring binders that I have. So this page will probably get something on the other side for the junk journal, but I wanted to go ahead and put the mushroom recipe on this side facing this other page of recipes for crab triangles and stuffed cherry tomatoes. I just thought it went along, and this is from a different book than this one. This one is actually, you know, the cover is the cover of the entire journal. So see if I can turn it for you. Cherry the pig. I just like the illustrations in this one, and it's about baking, so I thought it would be fun to make this into a junk journal. So it combines 2 books together, plus the pages I've been making with my recipe stamps. So that's it for now. Those are the projects I have to share with you today. Hopefully I will come out with more. I know we're supposed to be getting another stamp set that's part of the trio of mushroom themed stamp sets. So be on the lookout for that, hopefully soon. And I will talk to you later. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.